Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Friday the 21st of July and I'm Nigel Croft. In this short video we'll be looking at the charts on the Brent crude oil price. Is it about to turn positive? Well, at the moment I'm not too sure. Let's have a look at those charts and I'll explain. So here we have, as usual, the daily chart. So each candle represents one day. You can see that we've been in a downtrend from about February, and we did reach a low in 21st of June, and since then we've had a rally. Now this is a short-term uptrend. We are getting a picture of higher highs and higher lows. The high that we had yesterday was above the high that we had on the 4th of July, so that confirmed that picture, and we have seen an upturn in momentum with the RSI now at 56.99 and the MACD also just tracking above the zero line, so an increase in momentum. Is it looking bullish? Well, at the moment, I would say no. I've still got concerns regarding the 50-day moving average. We're tracking down. That was the key resistance on that high of the 4th of July. Yes, we are above it, but it's still moving down and is a negative influence on the market. Above there, you can also see that the 200-day, the red line, is now tracking downwards, although that is just below the 52 level. And the real reason why I'm staying on the bearish stance at the moment on oil is this chart, the weekly. You can definitely see a rolling pattern here, and that's been highlighted by the down tracking 20-week moving average, which is giving immediate downside pressure to any further rally, and is presently at 50.57. So that's the downside. You can also see that the weekly is suffering a bit from downside momentum from the RSI, which is in a downtrend, although actually at the upper boundary of that downtrend, be aware of that, but it is below 50, 47.63. The MACD are also tracking down below the zero, although again sidelining to the side. Keep an eye on those as well. So you need to watch the momentum here. There are signs that we may be getting a bottom of momentum. If that's the case, just see if we can break above this 20-week. But at the moment, I'm doubtful. On the shorter term, the 4-hour chart, here you can see the uptrend that's been in place. We've tracked down. That's actually knocked the RSI. Could be a double top on the RSI there. I'm not sure. It wasn't a non-confirmation, but it's a double top, so be aware of that. If we were to break below the 24-hour moving average, which is at 49.24, that could bode for a test of the 54-hour at 48.63. Again, it looks okay, but not enough for me to turn bullish, and there's some warning signs, as I said, coming out. Let's have a look at those support resistance levels. Resistance at 50.16, and then from the 20-week at 50.69. As I said, that is a key resistance level that must be watched. And then the supports coming in at those moving averages, the 50-day at 49.18, and then the 20-day at 48.18. So that's been TA for Traders, having a look at the Brent crude price. I was, when I first looked at the charts, kind of getting a slightly bullish, but as I analysed deeper, I'm staying with my feet in the bearish camp on the oil price. The reasons being that it needs to break away from that 50-day moving average. That's moving down, as is a negative influence on the markets. On the weekly, we've got a rolling picture with the 20-week as a severe resistance point, and the 4-hour does seem to be losing its momentum. So that's been TA for traders. Many thanks for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you go on bulletin boards, do please post these videos on the bulletin boards. Let's get the TA for traders message out there. Please remember, these videos are for information only and are my opinions, and they are not meant as an investment recommendation. Thank you.